Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to manage ANC and transparency modes on your headphones Soundcore Space Q45. You have to start by opening the application. Right now we choose ANC mode, so click under it. And you have two options, or adaptive noise cancelling or custom one. So it's if it's adaptive, it just adjust it change your ANC, and if you choose the custom one, you can lower or increase the level of noise reduction. So right now we have on a max, and you can lower it to 1 or to 3. It depends what the best one for you. And the same with transparency mode. We have talk mode and we have a custom one, so you can increase and lower the transparency level. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!